Hi friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. In this video session, we are going to design an HTML header, simple HTML header using this Photoshop. So let me open this Photoshop. So first thing you need to do here, create a new layer. Go to this file, click on this new, select the custom, provide width, provide height, and set the resolution 200 or 100 and click on this OK. The file is created. After creating the file, we need to do double click on this layer, layer get and login. Now I created one layer here. So for this layer, I can apply some styles for this. We'll design one HTML header. See for this, I'll create one more group here. So in this we have a new group is it. Click on this new group. I'll create one group here. So if you double click on this group, so it will show here. We can rename this group like header. I created header BG and click on this one. Now for this header BG, I'll place one image. After that, we'll add one text here. See for this one, header BG, I'll import one image. So in order to download an image, you can go to this and you can download any of the image you want. If you want the icons, so go to this flat icons. You can download the icons here. So I already downloaded the icons and images. For flat icons, we can download here. And for the images, we use a Pixabay. So this is a website of Pix. And let me open this Photoshop. Now here, I'll import one image. Go to this file. Click on this paste option. Now select any of this image. So I already downloaded image here. I'm selecting this image. Click on this place here. Now I'll place the image here and use this Shift and Alt. Reduce this size and you can paste it here. Click on this here. Now, if you want to apply some more color for this one, if you want to apply more color for this one, you look at this image having the smart object, right click, place files here, and I'll drag into this group and use Ctrl U. So in this saturation, I'll just increase a little bit. Look at this. If you increase this one, it will give the more saturation here and click on this OK. Place image here. Now I completed this header BG. Now I'll right click and give some color here. This time I'll give the blue color. Where I'm creating one more group. In this group, I'll just give here navigation bar, navigation, and click on this one. For this navigation, again I'm creating one more group and I'll paste it inside of this navigation. So double click on this one, it will be selected, and here I'll give logo. Click on this OK. Now for this logo, I've created one logo here. For this one, select this custom shape here. Go to this shapes and select the shape here. Which shape do you want? So here I'm choosing this one and use the shift button. That is a perfect shape here. So use the shift. Draw the perfect shape. Now once we can draw this logo and change the color, so double click on this layer, it will be selected and choose this color and choose somewhat blue, click on this one. Now look at this one. I created this logo. Now we need to do just give the equal space on the left side and right side. For this time, I'll enable the rulers. Use Ctrl R to enable the rulers, and for that I use this rectangle and I use the one shape here and drag the ruler and you can paste it there. Now the same rectangular box I'll be pasted for this. For the same rectangular box I'll paste it for this in the right side. Again you can drag the ruler. You can keep here. See, this logo and text will be between the same width, and I will give the similar gap between this left and right side. I'll just remove this shape too. I don't want to need this shape to here. I'll just remove this one. Now select this shape one. You can adjust this towards the left side, and I'll just make some text here. Select this text tool. Select this horizontal type tool and just you can type some text here. Agency, and double click on this one, it will be selected. This time I'm changing the font family. So here we can write Open Sans. So I'm just clicking this Open Sans and make it to bold. I'll just increase the font size. Here's the font size. Select this mode tool. We can adjust this one. Now click at this logo. Double click on this one. It will be selected. Click on this color picker, and you can change the color for blue here. And now we created this logo part. Logo is completed. I just drag the ruler and I can place it here. Now we need to create a navigation bar. For the navigation menu, again I'm creating one more group. Just you can type it on menu bar and click on this OK. Now select this text and just you can write this text here. Home, about, service, blog, and contacts. Now I'll just choose this text here. For this text, make it to regular, reduce the size, and change the color. Change this colors to black. Now we give one tab space here. Give one tab space. So give some equal space. Give some equal space here. So I can adjust this one. Yeah, it's no good. Now select this smooth tool. You can adjust this one. You can adjust the text towards the right side. And I'll click on this one, it will be selected. For the first letter, I'll make it to bold. Select this first and make it to bold there. For this one, I'll just change this color for this home. I'll make it to blue color. So double click on this one, text will be selected. In the top bar, we have a color is there. Then you can double click on this one, it will be selected, and then you can choose this agency color. Now I'll complete this navigation bar. So here I'll create one login button. For this one, choose this shape tools, select this router rectangle, draw one shape there, and for this one, double click on this one. So I will select the color picker, change the color, click on this OK. Now I can adjust this shape towards the top position, and we can write some text here like login. Choose this text, double click on this one, text will be selected. Choose this one, make it white color, reduce this font size, select this mode tool, you can adjust this one. Now select this login and shape tool, select the mode tool, and here it will make this exact center, it will make the whole side as a center. Now I created this nav bar, or we created this login button, after that we created logo bar, and next this navigation part is completed. But this color, right click and click on this red color. I'll create one more group. I'll just double click on this one, it will be selected. Now we can rename this group as text. And the text. And click on this OK. Now for this one, select this text and you can write here. We are creative web agency. So select this text, select the text, make it to extra bold, increase the size, select this one, select the text, go to this toolbar, go to this toggler and reduce this line height, reduce the line height, click on this OK, I will click on this one, it will be selected, and this time I will make it bold here. Now if you want you can reduce this font size, below it. Now select this move tool, you can adjust this text towards the top position, so double click, it will be selected. I just make it to black color, click on this OK. Now replace the text here, replace the text, and I just reduce this size to 70 pixels. 72 is enough. And now you can place some paragraph, like go to this browser, just type dummy text, click on this enter, select this dummy text, and don't copy here. So this is not, I can go to this one, click on this one here. So this is the dummy text generator. In order to place dummy text in the websites, so don't copy here. So you can always generate this text. So you can click on this generate, not to generate the text. Now you can copy this text there, go to your Photoshop and choose the text, you can paste it there. Now I just pasted the text, double click on this one, it will be selected. Go to this font family, reduce the size, make it to regular, and remove this, go to this toggler, remove this capital letters, make it to small letters. Now double click, click on this enter. Now look at this one, look at the paragraph having. So for the paragraph I'll make it this alignment as a center. Choose this move tool. You can adjust this one. I'll click on that one, it will be selected. Go to this toggler, reduce this line height. Reduce the line height here. It's look good. Click on this arrow. Now here we can adjust this text. Adjust the text. Now look at this one. We didn't like this in the text center position. Use this align right. To make this align right position here. I can place this paragraph below the heading. Now we need to do. You can create one button here. So header text is completed. Right click and click this to yellow button. Next, I'll create one more group. Double click on this one. So we can change the name for this group. So make it to common button. Common button. Click on this OK. See, I created one group here. Next, go to this rounder rectangle. So here you can put the radius 400, and you can draw one button there. Draw a rounded button. And I created one button here. For this button, double click on this one. It will be selected. Choose this color. Now, and if really you don't want this one, you want to apply a gradient for this button. So you go to this shape, click on this effects, select this gradient overlay, and click on this gradient. You can choose the basic gradient. It will show the color spot. Click on this color spot one and choose the color. Choose the color here. Click on this OK. And again you can select one more color. And you can choose one more color here and click on this. Click on this OK here. Now look at this one. So if you're not satisfied with this one, you can change the angle here. Like this. You can change the angle and click on this OK. Now create one button here. For this button, if you want to apply any 3D effect, go to this effects, click on this drop shadow. So in order to apply any drop shadow for your button, then you can apply here. And for the drop shadow, just remove this use global light and reduce this size here. And click on this one. Now you create one button there, right? Select this one, select the text tool, just type read more. Read more here. And double click on this text. Text will be selected. Make it a white color. Click on this OK. And increase the size. Increase the size here. Now double click. So just select this text, make it to semi-bold. Double click, it will be selected, make it to semi-bold and reduce to 37. Select this model. We can adjust this one. Now if you want to make a really center, select this text layer, select the shape 3, select the move tool and make it to center. Use the exact center for this one. And Control H will do the border shape. Now look at this one. So we created a simple header design here. See, like this we can create simple header design. Now if you want to really apply any background for this, any shape for this one, so go to this one, select this rounder rectangle. You can draw one shape there, and for this shape we need to apply some gradient color. Select this shape 3, right click on this one, copy the layer style, select this shape 4, right click, paste this layer style. We just apply gradient here. Now You can drag this image, you can drag the shape and kept below the layer. You kept below the layer. Now look at this one. See, like this, we can place the shapes for the image. Look at this image having, this is not transparent. You want to make this transparent image, go to this magic wand, click on this one, click on this diagonal space, click on this control D. Now look at this one. Like this, you can make a transparent layer. So it's not looking good. So I use Control Alt Z and I'll just hide this shape here. So like this, we can create a header shape. In order to save this one, use Control Shift S. Choose the file format as a PDF, and you can type here header. Click on this save here, so it will be saved. And you can also save this header the JPG format. Click on this OK, it will be saved, and click on this Control Shift S. This time I'll save with this PSD. Just write head and click on this OK. So it will be saved here, and Control Shift S. Just you can make this as a JPG file and click on this save here. It will ask for the quality. Click on this OK. Image will be saved here. Now go to this source. Now look at this one. So we created one header here. So like this we can create a header